I'll call the Estates General. Just tell me your complaints.
You gotta fight for your right to party!
Yes, here is Chapter 1, Section A. Nope, changed my mind. You can leave. Well, joke's on you!
Let's go down to the tennis court and talk it up like yeah.
We did it! Declaration of Rights of Man. Storming of the Bastille!
How am I gonna be an optimist about this? How am I gonna be an optimist about this?
Fine, I'll move to Paris. We need more violence. Oh, what? I was not trying to leave. Kill him! All right, contest time. Who can think of the most ironic name for our new group? The Committee of Public Safety? I love it! Let's go kill thousands! Man, I love this equality bread. And the revolution. I love the revolution. Please don't kill me! Perhaps we've made you get the guillotine and you get the guillotine a huge mistake. No more religion! Yeah, he's gotta be stopped. I get the guillotine? Woo! Glad that's over. What do we do now? Have no fear, Napoleon is... pan down. Pan down!